Hi guys, I'm Sonika, and in this video I'm going to talk about my Nikon Coolpix B500. Last year I uploaded a video where I have reviewed my camera. I also showed you what comes in the box with it when you buy it. You can check it out with the link here or the link down below. Also down below is its link on Amazon where you can check it out if you're interested in buying it. Over the last few months of using this camera, I have discovered so many new things in it which I didn't know about. Also, I have missed out on a few things which I would like to cover in this new video. So let's get started. This is a 16 megapixel camera with 40x optical zoom. Its focal length ranges from 4 to 160 mm. Now let me take you through its controls. You can adjust your lighting settings by clicking this button. Now we go inside and you can adjust the brightness, vividness, hue or the direction of the lighting. I normally keep the lighting to -3 or -7 if I am shooting in broad daylight, and I raise it when I am in a dark room. I only play with the brightness and keep the rest as default. Okay, now we exit this. Now we come to the timer. This left button is the timer. So if you want to shoot yourself or you want to take a group photograph, this option is damn useful. Turn it off for now. Now we go into the menu. In the menu you have the image mode, which is the resolution in which you want to shoot. I keep it to the maximum because the camera allows you such a great resolution, so you must use it. White balance. White balance gives you the modes in which you want your image to be shot. I mostly keep it to cloudy in daytime and incandescent in a dark room. I used to keep it auto initially, but now I've stopped that. The preset manual mode is useful if you are in a mixed lighting environment. So if I use this and then I ask the camera to measure the lighting of any surface where I want to shoot. Here I have a plain creamish background, so I hit measure. So now all my images will have that tinge onto them. Continuous, this is the frequency in which your images will be shot. I keep it to single because if I use continuous, then the camera keeps clicking images when I shoot once, so it takes a lot of time. So I keep it to single only. ISO, I keep my ISO to the minimum 125 in daylight. I only raise it when it is absolutely essential, or else I keep it to the minimum. Focus, now the focus I keep it manual or center. First I used to keep it auto, but don't keep it auto or else the camera sometimes fails to recognize the subject and does not keep it in focus. Keep it to center or manual is my suggestion. The last option here is autofocus mode. Go inside this. I have kept it to pre-focus. Now we will jump into the video settings. In video, have the fantastic option of shooting in 1080 resolution with 25 fps, which is damn cool. AFS is single. Movie VR is on hybrid. Wind reduction has been set to on so that you don't get a lot of background noise in your videos. Frame rate is 25 fps. You can also shoot in 30, but I prefer 25. And the rest are basic settings of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. I'm not going to get into that. In this, the main option here is the digital zoom, which I've set to off because I've noticed that if you zoom in too much with this camera, the images become a little blurred, so I have set it to off. To start recording a video, you press this red button and that's it. It shows you that the camera is recording a video with this REC mark here. And you can record a 29-minute video. Guys, please remember, once I set the camera on and I was just recording, and after 29 minutes it stops. So make sure you turn it on again after 29 minutes. I'll turn this off now. Now there's one problem that I have faced only twice with this camera throughout using it. it is that sometimes its lens just gets stuck. It does not turn off and it just gets stuck in one position. It's quite scary. It's a minor problem. As soon as you remove the batteries and try jabbing the on off button again and again, it works fine, but it's super scary. This is the only problem I have faced with this camera. Otherwise, it is working absolutely fine. So guys, as a conclusion, like I always say, this is a very good entry level camera for beginners like me who want to explore photography. This does not allow you control over aperture and shutter speed, so it lags behind, or else this is an amazing camera. I have photographed birds, insects, landscapes, everything with it. So you can definitely consider it if you want to buy an entry level camera. So guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Share the love with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Bye.